Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel where we give you all the tools you need to run a successful design firm. My name's Marie and my team and I are here to help you and your business thrive. This series is about setting up your new studio designer account. This is basically the revamp of my very first YouTube series. Only this time we're going to be using the new studio designer software that was updated in 2025. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and post the link below and hopefully as a pop-up as well. But you're going to take this link and you're going to go ahead and follow that to be able to sign up for your new studio designer account. Okay, there's different tiers. I went ahead and completed this because I wanted to go live and do it on screen to see what it was going to require. Okay, and let's just see what kind of information it's going to ask you. Okay, let's see. So evidently there's no meetings at this time, but they will be in contact with you. And if for some reason you don't hear back or have any issues, you can reach out to info@mareevuitton.com and I will make sure that you get in touch with the right person. That being said, I'm going to just jump right in and log in. Okay, this is the home page, the login screen. I keep it bookmarked, and I suggest you do too. I'm going to go ahead and log into my test account. Just so you know, this is a brand new account. I haven't done anything to it. I've just, it's actually just named because it's specific to this training. Okay, I want to make sure that you can see all that. Because I'm just going to give this video, I'm just going to record straight and go through the process. I'm going to leave the pauses. I'm going to look at everything as I go through it online. So hopefully this will kind of be able to be a really good starting place for right when you open the account, what happens. I mean, what I did was obviously there's a profile and that is based on the setup for when you get in touch with them or they contact you and get all the information and get you all set up, right? So there is nothing on this at all. Let's see. You can see there's literally nothing on the company. There's just the basics. I think that's studio. That might be studio's address, right? I'm gonna say okay. Let's just leave it alone. You can see that there's nothing there. It is on the automated. This is a brand new feature. I'm trying to still get to making videos on all these different new things. Everything is at its basic setup. I'm going to just show you that there are no reports at all. I am moving quickly because I'm just pulling up reports, but I will show you how to find all these things as we continue in the training. But actually, I'm just going to leave it for January. You can see there's literally nothing on here. It's a test account. I haven't even named it. This is exactly the way the accounts look like when you open your account. Okay, the chart of accounts is untouched. I don't have vendors. I don't have anything. Okay, so I'm going to walk through that on screen because I think it's important because sometimes things don't look exactly the way I'm teaching it. So I always want, to have the most recently updated. So there's nothing on here and we're going to start literally everything from scratch. Okay, so I will try to break everything out in chapters to kind of give you a place to navigate so that we don't have to watch the whole thing over and over. But if you find the videos useful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated. Definitely feel free to ask questions in the comments below so that way it helps our algorithm and I can actually answer them and provide the answer for everybody. So that being said, the first thing I'm going to do every time, okay, and my intake process may look a little different from others, but I am going to just walk you through how I would do it should I have a new client or customer or a new account to set up. And I know Studio offers their new account setup as well. Okay, so you can also reach out and schedule to do any of this together, or even if you needed me to just check, you know, maybe something that you've already set up, because I know a lot of people try to do them on my videos. Sometimes they run into issues, or their certain situation is not exactly, you know, standard. A lot of people have exceptions to the rules. So I am literally going to go ahead and break everything down video by video, and do it in a way that we're just going to start adding the different things that could come up in your design firm until I finish this series. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead and jump in.